Hey, welcome! If you're curious about data science but worried it's all confusing math and complicated code, I've got something that'll change your mind. Let's talk about the book Introduction to Statistical and Machine Learning Methods for Data Science by Carlos Andre Reis Pinheiro and Mike Patetta. And trust me, this isn't your typical dry textbook. So, what actually is data science? Imagine you've got a mountain of information, numbers, text, or even images. Data science is about using that data to solve real-world problems, like predicting what products will be popular or spotting fraud before it happens. It's not just for tech geniuses. Anyone can get started, and this book is the perfect launchpad. Here's why I find this book super approachable. First, it skips the heavy mathematical jargon and jumps straight into practical techniques. You learn the actual steps behind data preparation, exploration, and even model deployment, but without feeling overwhelmed by equations. If you've ever felt lost in the weeds with formulas, this book helps you see the big picture. The authors break down two major types of machine learning: unsupervised and supervised. Unsupervised learning is all about finding patterns in your data when you don't even know what to look for. Think of it as discovering hidden groups or trends. Supervised learning, on the other hand, is about training a model to predict something specific, like whether an email is spam or not. The best part? You get real-world case studies so you can actually see these methods in action. One thing I love is the way the book walks you through the entire analytics lifecycle. From the very first step, preparing and cleaning your data, to exploring patterns, picking the right model, and finally deploying your solution to solve a business problem. It's like having a roadmap, so you always know what comes next. And don't worry if you don't have programming experience. This book doesn't tie you down to specific software, which means you can focus on understanding the concepts without getting stuck on coding. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on the basics, you'll walk away with a solid understanding of how data science works in practice. So if you want to boost your understanding, solve meaningful problems, and maybe even kickstart a future career, check out this book. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. See you in the next video.